Next, we will demonstrate the running stitch. It is as simple and common as backstitch, suitable for stitching various patterns. We will demonstrate using 6 strands of floss, color number 10. Let's take a look at this line. It can be stitched from left to right. It can also be stitched from right to left. We will start from the right end. Bring the needle through upwards. Stitch forward 1 stitch. Leave a little space. Bring the needle down at the front. Embroider along the pattern's path. Continue until the line is completely stitched. Keep the stitch length consistent. Arrange the stitches closely and parallel. This way, the lines will be even and beautiful. The running stitch is now complete. Let's take a look at the finished embroidery.